for today's video, we will be talking about abstract painting. How to do abstract painting? I honestly don't know. But what I know is abstract deals with your emotions. Abstract paintings usually made not because we don't know how to paint. Abstract lets you and the viewer think what impression or expression the artist want to say. An abstract can be in form of strokes of lines, splash of paints, colors, symmetry, shape, and etc. Abstract art does not represent the actual look of visual reality. And that's why some people don't see it as a form of art. Some may say abstract is like a painting made by a child or an immature artist, but it's not. A single abstract contains a lot of meaning. It cannot be seen in the paint directly, and only few people really loves abstract, not unless they saw the price or the name of the artist. Moreover, abstract is beautiful if you understand it very well. I want to tell you a little story why I made this video. I want to educate other beginner artists that abstract painting is not a waste of canvas, waste of paints, waste of time. Doing abstract painting will not label you as an immature artist. When you're experiencing artist block, you should try abstract painting. Just express your feelings and emotions. In this way, you will release all your tensions that bothers you. You shouldn't care what other people say. Don't let them become the reason why you lost confidence. All you have to do is to paint, focus, and feel the calmness inside you. Painting abstracts can also help when you're feeling stressed. When you're stressed, there are times you don't want people to understand you, and you can't even talk to them. If this happens, start diverting your attention to the colors. Try anything that you want to paint, because painting generally can also be a stress reliever. I really hope that I helped you understand the true meaning of painting abstracts. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you learned something from me while watching all my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Let's now talk about the abstract art I am painting. Just suddenly popped in my head. And right there and then, I know I have to paint. This painting is called Chef's Dream. This painting turned out so good. So please, watch till the end. I'm gonna stop talking here so you can focus on the painting.